Stephen Hillary from LifeDirect, and this is, can I cancel or change my life insurance policy? Yes, absolutely you can. You can change your life insurance policy whenever you want. You're not locked into something forever. Your life changes, so your policy should ultimately match and mirror what stage of life you're going through. So when you first take out your policy, there's what's called a free look period. Depending on the insurer, it's 14 to 30 days. So if you cancel within that free look, you receive a full refund of any premiums that you have paid. Even after that, you can make some changes. You could cancel the policy entirely. You could reduce the cover that you have if your financial commitments drop. You can also convert the policy to a different premium structure without having to redo any medicals. There's lots of different options that you can do. You can also update things like the policy owner, who's going to receive the benefit of your life insurance policy. The payment frequency, are you getting paid fortnightly now instead of monthly? You can change that. And sometimes, depending on what you have, you can add or remove optional benefits that are, features that are within your policy, depending on the cover that you have. What is important to note that is if you cancel after the free look period, so say after 30 days, for example, you won't get back any premiums that you've already paid because you've been insured. If something was to happen, there would have been a claim payable. And if you want to later apply again, you'll need to go through health checks and reapply at your current age. Here's your example for that. You took out something when you were 30, you cancelled it at 40, and then you wanted to reapply at 41. The insurer will look at you as a 41-year-old. So you need to take that into consideration if you are planning to cancel and then look to reapply in the future. Say you buy another house or get married again or something like that. So this is why I always say, don't just cancel without talking to someone about it first, a financial advisor, LifeDirect, or do your research on Money Hub. There's also a smarter way to adjust things, so that way that your cover still works for your situation. So always get some advice on it, always get a second opinion on it. So to bring it right back, yes, you do have options. Review your policy every couple of years to make sure that it is still relevant to your situation, especially after big life events like buying a home or having kids or changing jobs even. So the key thing is that the best life cover is the one that keeps up with your life. It's a bit of a tip for you. So if you want some more information, jump onto moneyhub.co.nz, go through the articles around life insurance or personal insurance. If you want to do some quotes, jump onto lifedirect.co.nz and we can go from there. Thanks.